This traditional Indian sweet, locally known as Kalakand, is must try for anyone who loves indulging in something deliciously creamy and perfectly sweet. Welcome to Rana Roshmita, and we are making milk cakes. We begin this magical preparation with a heavy bottom vessel, preferably a kadhai. Pour in some ghee and evenly coat the sides of the vessel with it. This will prevent the milk solids from sticking to it, and it will be easier to clean after you cook. Pour full fat milk into the vessel along with some green cardamoms for the flavoring. Slowly start heating the milk on a simmer. The key here is patience. Let the milk come to a slow, steady boil, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Once the milk has reduced by almost half its original quantity, we will curdle it. Add some yogurt to the milk and stir. We found yogurt had a richer texture and milder flavor, but you can also use vinegar or lemon juice instead of yogurt. You will notice the milk starting to curdle, separating into whey and curds. This process is essential for making the perfect texture for our milk cake. After the milk has curdled, reduce the heat to low. Continue cooking the mixture, stirring frequently until the whey evaporates and the milk solid thickens. As soon as the mixture starts to splutter, it's time to add the sugar. Stir it in gradually and continue cooking. You will notice the mixture turning a beautiful golden brown as the sugar caramelizes. The aroma at this stage is simply irresistible. Once the mixture has thickened to a consistency where it starts to leave the sides of the pan, it is ready to be transferred to a separate vessel to cool. For this, take a disposable aluminum container if you do not have a baking tray. Apply some ghee and evenly grease its sides to make it easier to demold. Transfer the mixture to the greased container. Spread it evenly, smoothing out the top with a spoon. Cover it with a lid and let it rest until it cools completely and sets. After few hours, your delicious and homemade milk cake is ready. Demold it and cut it into pieces. Traditionally, these are cut into square or rectangular shapes, but you can get creative here. If you like, sprinkle some chopped nuts and saffron strands on top for an added crunch and decorative touch. Thanks for watching. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like and share. And until next time, happy cooking!